So now we are going to install the sub client on Linux. So I'm going to use Debian. The dependencies that you need are these ones. And yeah, this is the command to run the jar file or the install file. And this is the model path that you're going to need because this is going to request. Okay, just let it open. I have already the file system here, so I just need to install the dependencies. So let me copy, paste, install. While it is installing, let's mount. Okay, it's mounted. So in here, you're going to have the files that you should have from the previous videos. On the sub NetWeaver files, you have the client folder. In the client folder, you have the JavaGUI. So we need to run this. So let's go there. Mount, share not the version, client, and JavaGUI. Okay, and we just need to run java jar and the file. So here it is. Next, so here you are going to copy the model path that I show you in the beginning, put it here and install. Shouldn't take long. And now you can see that it's here.